Hey guys, don't throw away your Christmas wrapping paper, your tissue paper, or your lint this holiday season, because with some petroleum jelly, some tape, we're going to turn it into some Jingle Bells fire tinder. Stand by. So first, you got to get your wrapping paper. Okay. Get a nice square or rectangle like so. Get your petroleum jelly and then just start smearing it on here. I actually got this idea from my boy Keith. He was in the Air Force as a ROMAD or TACP. He said they used to put petroleum jelly on newspapers and roll them up, put them in a Ziploc bag, and put them in their jackets or their rucksacks. And you could use it as a fire tinder or a fire starter. You know what I'm saying? So I figure I can make that a little better and make it very festive. So as the holiday comes to a close, you got all this, wrapping paper. And I was like, you know what? Let's make something really cool out of it for a prepping or survivalist, or, just you want to bring it out camping. Take it out hiking, or just put it in your backpack. All right, so now we smeared petroleum jelly all over this. So now we got our lint from our dryer. So we're gonna sprinkle this all here. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not gonna be. It's just gonna be some added tinder. And I know, this stuff burns, but it also burns really quickly. So if you scatter it around here, it'll slow it down a little bit, It's going to look like an old patchy man's hair or something, someone that needs a toupee or something. All right, so now, get that off me. All right, so we got some tissue paper next. Ta-da! All right, throw that on there. Press that all down. Then we're going to roll it up. Roll up the Hootie Mac. All right. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. All right. So it's going to look like a big old doobie. We can get the tape. Tape it like it's a present. Actually, I'll try to run it down the seam as far as I can. All right, to make it more manageable, we're going to cut it into pieces. And I'm going to save the last one for a thumbnail. Pretend like I'm smoking it. All right, here it is. Let's give it a try. See, it doesn't blow up. It doesn't burn out real quick. It's like a candle. Look. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Enjoy the holidays, guys. On to the next one.